Hey everyone, welcome back to Gar's Garage. My name's Gar and everything. I painted my dad's truck the other day. He wanted to paint it real quick, and that's what I did. And I made him a bumper. So, it needs washed. Painted his old dump truck. It needs washed bad. Really bad. Look at that big old bumper I made him. Big old bumper. I ain't got done painting. I need to paint it. I put Bo's truck on it. But anyway, made him that big old bumper. I cut my hand off doing it. But I got her done. I want to thank my brother for helping me. Yeah, the top ain't cracked no more like it was and everything. But yeah, I got it done. I'm gonna go sandblast them rims and everything after I get done putting a motor in the GMC. I'm getting ready to film a putting a timing chain in a GMC 2010 that's 3.7 liter, but it's a 5-cylinder. Oh my God, it's going to be a show. But yeah, I done got everything apart. I'm going to pull the motor today, and I'm going to show from there on what we got to do. But before I pull it, I'm going to show you what I had to do this and that. So in case you ever get in this trouble, you will know how to do it. But anyway, I just want to get back and tell you, please everybody, hit the subscribe button and like. That's what helps me. And nobody ain't doing that. I guess y'all don't like me, so I'm going to have to do something. But I'm going to keep her rolling. I'm going to still do it. But anybody, please hit the like, subscribe button and everything. I thought y'all might like that big 4-wheeling video, but I guess y'all didn't. So, I'm going to have to do something else. Look at that big white Chevrolet down there. I got to put a transmission in that one pretty soon. But please hit that like, subscribe button for me. If y'all want to help me out a little bit. Y'all can donate to me too. If y'all need anything, if y'all want to send me anything to help me out on these builds. Money's tight right now. But anyway, I got to put transmission in that one, and I think top module, I think. Some bushings and everything. But yeah, please get back with me. Send me anything. I'll get right back with you. And anybody needs any help on anything, holler at me. If I can help you, I will. Nope. Just ask for help. I'm here to help anybody I can. But please, thank you all, and God bless every one of you all. Thanks, everyone. Later.